What if I told you that your daily meals could determine whether your legs feel strong and stable or stiff and cramped at night? Would you believe it? Many assume leg cramps are just part of getting older, but they can actually signal your body needs attention. Picture this. Every night, millions of adults over 60 in the U.S., over 12 million, battle painful leg cramps that disrupt sleep. Some dismiss it, but others risk falls when they try to stand, which can lead to life-changing injuries. Let me share a story. Meet Mrs. Carter, a 70-year-old retired librarian. She thought her tight calves were just aging, but as the cramps worsened, she lost sleep, stopped joining her walking group, and felt too drained to play with her grandkids. After making simple dietary tweaks, her cramps nearly vanished and her energy soared. So, have you ever woken up with your legs seizing up? Could food be part of the fix? Type 1 in the comments if you think it's possible, or 0 if you believe cramps are just bad luck. Stick around, because I'll reveal 6 everyday foods that can strengthen your legs, reduce cramps, and help you move confidently again. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button for Vitality Hub to stay updated with tips to keep you active and healthy. Let's dive into the first food. When you think of pork, you might imagine heavy, fatty dishes. But pork tenderloin is different. It's lean, almost like chicken breast, and loaded with high-quality protein your muscles crave daily. A 3-ounce serving delivers over 22 grams of protein, including leucine, a key amino acid for muscle repair and growth. A study in a leading nutrition journal found that older adults eating leucine-rich proteins maintain up to 25% better muscle strength. That's huge for walking, climbing stairs, or just standing up easily. Plus, pork tenderloin supports heart health, stabilizes blood sugar, and provides lasting energy. It's not just about muscles. It's about keeping your whole body active. Take Mr. Thompson, a 69-year-old from Texas. He loved hiking but struggled with weak legs and nighttime cramps. His diet lacked protein. After adding pork tenderloin twice a week, he noticed stronger legs within a month, and his cramps faded. His energy was back, and he was hiking again. So how does pork tenderloin help cramps? It's rich in thiamine, vitamin B1, and vitamin B6, vital for nerve function and electrolyte balance, ensuring muscles contract and relax smoothly. Low levels of these can cause nerve misfires, leading to cramps. Try this. Grab a small pork tenderloin, season it with herbs, skip the salt, and roast it. Slice it thinly for sandwiches, pair with veggies, or enjoy as a light meal. It's heart-healthy and leg-strengthening without the heaviness. Stay tuned, because next, I'll share a food that supports your muscles even while you sleep. A surprising one. Cottage cheese might seem plain, but it's a powerhouse for weak legs or nighttime cramps. It contains whey protein for quick absorption and casein for slow release, feeding your muscles all day and night. A study in a top nutrition journal showed older adults eating cottage cheese before bed maintained stronger muscles in just weeks. Consider Mrs. Rivera, a 73-year-old from California. She woke nightly with sharp leg cramps, pacing to find relief. She was losing muscle without realizing it. After adding half a cup of cottage cheese as an evening snack, her cramps dropped significantly in 2 weeks. 2 months later, she felt steadier and stronger. Cottage cheese is packed with calcium and phosphorus, which help muscles contract and relax properly. Without them, spasms can strike unexpectedly. Calcium acts like an on switch for muscles, while phosphorus stabilizes them. Low calcium is linked to frequent cramps in those over 60. Try mixing cottage cheese with fruit for breakfast, adding it to a baked potato, or sprinkling with cinnamon for a nighttime snack. It's gentle, healthy, and beats sugary treats. Next up, a food that fuels your muscles all day, likely already in your kitchen. If your legs feel heavy or tired by midday, it might not just be age, it could be what you're eating. Sweet potatoes are a game changer for energy and muscle health. Unlike processed snacks that spike and crash blood sugar, sweet potatoes offer complex carbs for steady energy. A medium sweet potato has about 26 grams of these carbs, fueling your muscles for better strength and balance. Research from a major university shows older adults eating complex carbs have better endurance and fewer energy dips, making daily tasks easier. Sweet potatoes also deliver potassium and magnesium, key for muscle function. Potassium balances fluids and nerve signals, while magnesium helps muscles relax. Low magnesium is a hidden cause of cramps, with nearly half of older adults lacking it, per health data. Bake a sweet potato for a cozy side dish, mash with olive oil for a heart-healthy twist, or roast as wedges for healthy fries. Their natural sweetness satisfies without harming muscles. Do you think a sweet potato could ease cramps and boost leg strength? Type 1 if you're convinced, or 0 if you're skeptical. Subscribe to Vitality Hub for more tips. Next, a leafy green that packs nearly a third of your daily magnesium in 1 cup and boosts muscle blood flow in a surprising way. Leafy greens aren't usually seen as muscle foods, but Swiss chard changes that. Its vibrant green leaves and colorful stems deliver nearly 30% of your daily magnesium per cup cooked, a natural muscle relaxant. Low magnesium is linked to frequent cramps in those over 60, per a nutrition journal. Swiss chard also contains dietary nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide to relax blood vessels, improving circulation. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your legs, reducing cramps from poor blood flow and aiding recovery after activity. Sauté Swiss chard with garlic and olive oil, add to soups, or mix into omelets. A squeeze of lemon makes it tastier for green newbies. Could a leafy green like Swiss chard improve leg strength and circulation? Type 1 if you think so, or 0 if you're unsure. Subscribe to keep learning. Next, a root vegetable athletes use to boost performance and prevent cramps by enhancing oxygen delivery. Beets often get overlooked, but they're a secret weapon for leg health. Their natural nitrates turn into nitric oxide, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. A study in a physiology journal found beet juice boosted endurance in older adults by 16%, noticeable when climbing stairs or walking. Take Mr. Lee, a 71-year-old from Oregon. He loved community gardening but struggled with burning calves and nighttime cramps. After adding roasted beets twice weekly, his cramps became rare, and he climbed garden steps without stopping. Beets' antioxidants, like betalains, reduce inflammation and soreness, supporting active legs. Roast beets for a sweet side, grate into salads, or blend into smoothies with apple or lemon to soften their earthy taste. The final food is tiny but loaded with the top mineral for muscle relaxation and cramp prevention. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're mighty. A single ounce offers 7 grams of protein and zinc for muscle repair, plus magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Most adults over 60 lack magnesium, per health data, increasing cramp risk. Pumpkin seeds also support better sleep, reducing fatigue-related falls. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or toast for a nutty snack. They're a healthy swap for chips or cookies. Combined with the other foods, they create a natural approach to strong, cramp-free legs. Let's wrap up. These 6 foods, pork tenderloin, cottage cheese, sweet potatoes, Swiss chard, beets, and pumpkin seeds, work together to strengthen legs, ease cramps, and boost energy. It's not about one food, but a lifestyle of nutrient-rich choices. Small steps, like adding greens or swapping snacks for seeds, can transform how you feel. Have you tried these foods? Share your story in the comments. Your experience could inspire others. Subscribe to Vitality Hub for more ways to stay strong and active. Now, let's explore 7 fruits that fight leg cramps naturally, each with unique benefits. Drop a comment with your location and any questions. Fruit number 1, papaya. Papaya supports digestion, which can affect leg cramps. Its enzyme, papain, aids nutrient absorption, especially magnesium, vital for muscle relaxation. Vitamin A in papaya strengthens the gut lining for better mineral uptake, reducing cramp risk. Enjoy sliced papaya in the morning or with yogurt and seeds at night. Note: those with latex allergies should try a small portion first to avoid irritation. Fruit number 2, bananas are potassium powerhouses, preventing cramps by supporting muscle and nerve function. Their carbs aid potassium absorption, replenishing electrolytes after activity. Eat one in the morning or post-walk to reduce cramping. For kidney issues, consult a doctor before eating daily. Fruit number 3, avocado. Avocados offer magnesium and healthy fats to calm muscles and nerves. They prevent nighttime cramps by supporting muscle relaxation. Mash with nut milk for pudding or spread on toast. Use moderation if watching calories or cholesterol. 1 to 1 to 2 an avocado daily is enough. Fruit number 4, watermelon. Watermelon hydrates and provides citrulline for better blood flow, reducing cramps from poor circulation. Its soft texture suits seniors with dental issues. Enjoy cubes post-activity or blend into smoothies. Pair with nuts to balance sugars if managing blood sugar. Fruit number 5, citrus fruits. Oranges, mandarins, and grapefruit deliver vitamin C and calcium for nerve and muscle health. Vitamin C boosts magnesium absorption, reducing cramps. Enjoy juice or slices, but check with a doctor about grapefruit if on medications. Fruit number 6, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries provide manganese and antioxidants to protect muscles from damage. Add to oatmeal or yogurt for a leg-friendly meal. Frozen, unsweetened berries work if fresh aren't available. Fruit number 7, kiwi. Kiwi's vitamin K, folate, and potassium improve circulation, preventing cramps from poor blood flow. Eat sliced or in salads. Start with small bites to check for sensitivity. Your legs are your foundation. These fruits offer a natural, tasty way to keep them strong. Share your experience in the comments. Now, let's explore 5 drinks that ease leg soreness, rebuild strength, and improve circulation. What's your biggest leg strength challenge? Comment below and subscribe to Vitality Hub. Drink number 1, turmeric milk. This golden drink, used for centuries, fights inflammation with curcumin. A 2016 study found it rivals pain relievers without side effects. Warm milk with 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and cinnamon. Sip nightly for less stiffness and better sleep. Check with a doctor if on blood thinners. Drink number 2, bone broth. Bone broth delivers collagen, gelatin, and electrolytes like potassium and magnesium for joint and muscle health. Simmer bones with vinegar for 12 hours, strain and sip. It reduces joint pain and cramps. Make it low sodium if managing blood pressure. Drink number 3, banana almond smoothie. Blend a banana with almond milk and almond butter for potassium and magnesium. It supports muscle recovery and reduces cramps. Perfect post-walk. Swap almonds for coconut milk if allergic. Drink number 4, beetroot juice. Beet juice's nitrates boost circulation, improving endurance by 16% per a 2011 study. Juice raw beets or mix with apple juice. Monitor if on blood pressure meds or prone to kidney stones. Drink number 5, lemon chia water. Warm lemon water with soaked chia seeds hydrates and provides magnesium, calcium, and omega-3s. Vitamin C boosts collagen and muscle strength. Sip in the morning to ease aches. Use a straw to protect teeth. Start turmeric milk slowly if you have stomach sensitivity. Use low-sodium broth for blood pressure concerns. Pair smoothies with fiber for blood sugar control. Check beet juice with doctors if on hypertension meds. Soak chia seeds and use a straw for lemon water. Listen to your body. Aging doesn't mean losing strength. It means caring for it differently. These drinks are simple allies for stronger legs. Share what you'll try in the comments, like, and subscribe to Vitality Hub for more tips. Stay strong and see you next time.